Ojo Oponkroma, good morning.
Morning. I'm quite saying.
Adom na also eh.
Oh, nyame adom ho ye.
Ye da okropon ase. Ya tesa no pa mu hia, modru parliament ana.
Memo de minru. Usually at the beginning of every meeting and I recall first day in the meeting to plot our strategy for the recall.
Okay.
And afina me babedo.
Oh, okay. But first of all, minim say what the allegations against the minority leader currently, which Sammy Gyamfi boldly stated, say, or extortionist, and he has a proof where even Afenyo eti Nenchen Krana, he will show it, and Afenyo cannot respond to that because unim said you all cannot no crane. It's a personal issue between them. Unim yenyanti enso say minority kra mo ye concern say nka mo be hia no. In all these no. Meaning saying na unim yera Afenyo efa, and of course this particular allegation no as a minority. How do you take it?
Mamincha unia no studios ne wahwefo no retifo nyina. It is unfortunate on a morning when we should be discussing the single most colossal loss that Ghana has ever made since independence on a single commercial transaction. That is the loss of 22 billion Ghana cedis, 22 billion Ghana cedis on gold transactions, on the gold for reserves program. No, say sad discussion. No, and now what is being discussed is the allegations against the minority leader. But let me show you a pattern. In April 2026, me as part of my crusade on the losses that we are making on the Gold for Reserves program, maybe raise attention about Bank of Ghana for accounts or ma prepare. Na almost say you lose $900 million for the year 2025 in this Gold for Reserves component of the domestic gold purchase program. I want to say in December the year before, when I'm leading minority press conference, I'm a catcher. Say at the time, now loss, no, IMF say $214 million. By your calculation, they say a higher. By December, no, the Bank of Ghana or my account on publish it by March, which came out in April. No, I do 900. Me Bekaya, no. Me I was attacked directly. So Bekaya, you Gyamfi, Echo TV3 1-on-1 interview. I will say, me economist, the American mentor here. Many accountant, the American mentor here. Many facts. Now I'm telling lies. When it was there in black and white in the Bank of Ghana account. Remember another one. I'm not saying sorry. A few weeks ago, or a video beto abonting, say, Goldbod has questions to answer about a Kana Ababeda Bank of Ghana, no? Because a Goldbod transactions, no, and a Kana Ababeda. Yes, you can see it's a Goldbod, they make a profit on more books, but they have questions to answer. For video new year, no, or more by attacking, Mr. Gyamfi, and any boys, or by attacking. Say I'm not a poor woman or name the oka on Tiasia to Twayampia man. Then a friend did his press conference on Monday with the few say, yes, Bank of Ghana books soon a loss no, but a Goldbod that has to answer for it because Goldbod Jumedian ended those losses number. Then he is now attacked that or a extortionist. I do see a pattern here.
Yeah, but is it also not the grounds are Afenyo and a reference, no echo raise issue, referencing the IMF report and citing say a no casse, which in fact it's not saying so directly.
I can come to that one.
Okay.
And I've just written it down. I'll come to that one. But do you see a pattern here?
Sure.
Pattern in there. Pattern here.
Sir. Also, as a okay, any abe attack you so okay first, ya be attack you, and then abena say asare so be kan ya attack no, and you feel like it's a pattern of when you say it, you are being attacked.
It's the pattern.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you say in December, no, in January this year, the motion by Parliament say, yenye inquiry into, at the time, the $214 million loss that the IMF had mentioned. Okay, this year.
Okay.
What did the majority do when the motion came on the floor in Parliament?
On the pro bono.
Aye.
Yeah, I learned that if I remember it correctly, Omukase Bank of Ghana ma explanations to that.
And the motion by what did the majority do? They blocked it. They voted no.
Okay, in the House of Parliament, yeah.
Yes. And Mama Maya Rimfi, and this is for Namujidi say Ghana for free. So they get away with a lot of things. With the motion by say inquiry into it, the majority voted no. They blocked it. Said there be investigation there. I didn't know say investigation. Because at the end of the from April 2025, they catch them say Edeka Beba. On the front, who catch Ghana for say, oh, dollar negin and two the name of your butcher bar, say ni buefu. But on the back, who pakeka Ghana in the babitia. Now, if you know near Jumano, no plan a pakeka ma betono. By December now, numbers started by and proof, they blocked it. They say, then they attack you. The first point I'll make is this. Nobody should be distracted by this approach where company attack when now we are invited say yembe discuss allegation against you or attack no. And yes, that's a fact.
Okay.
Tell me you're more attacking me.
Right.
Because they don't want us to focus on the real issue, which is the 22 billion Ghana cedi loss on the gold for reserves component of the domestic gold purchase program. Since I started Century Jume, what is our loss way be that?
But this one is a bit higher.
It's huge. And any responsible democracy, any responsible democracy, we will be asking Parliament to do a full-scale inquiry. Any responsible democracy.
But what's your justification, no swa, that because of a nona, ama gold trade, no, any returns are in free muska revenue buy, no, and then my economy, no, the dollar rate is not like before. I mean, omotimi policy rates near day and inflation and others above from near day. They are telling us say and no media and it's better to lose such an amount to sustain the economy, though that losses must not be maintained any day. Is it not in a way justifying the state of the economy?
I know your mom justification. Yes, we have a view on it.
Okay.
Pakenu Sinchen. There's another area.
Okay.
I've consistently said that the loss is on the books of the Bank of Ghana. It be more further by saying, say, but a Goldbod, you may be in a losses number, so the Goldbod cannot extricate itself. Me see inquiry. Inquiry, you bet to me I establish where exactly is the loss coming from? What is the component or the composition of the loss? Discount no a creative loss I say fees ni creative loss optical fees no a no creative losses e ba ne say na ye start kasa e motimiyate loss no so 17% e be do be 9%. One na sa loss no benefit no ko we can get into all of those matters. Loss is the Bank of Ghana or Goldbod. How do we correct it going? All these are things you will find in the inquiry. I don't know about inquiry no. Then focusing on allegations against marking upon Chroma, Abano say aside.
Right.
So upon Chroma ye bibia, you can deal with it. Abna ye bibia, you can deal with it. Mark ye bibia, you can deal with it. But that does not dissuade or distract from the 22 billion Ghana cedi loss. But sure. There are 22 billion between me. Jesus Christ. 2025, Abana be catch say Waboka. At least through the Bank of Ghana, also about $900 million on the gold trade. Or done in the Parliament say, Yen Sankoji loan of $900 million a month from World Bank for roads, free SHS, and our finance ministry, and I raised in Parliament say, What causes Kano has it? And now you've come back for a loan. You know, I've been consistent, say more revenues, so Kakano or move loan. And people don't think that these are matters that can be inquired into. Let's do the inquiry. More justification.
But
let's make sure why that justification doesn't hold. Give me an example. Abuna Ebekatre will say, Waboka 15 billion CDs on open market operations. Nebekatre will say, so Katre said that is the cost of stability. I mean, Unim said, by the way, almost for account number parliament still.
As of now.
Wow. So the bar, you never go into it and these questions. But on my press conference, Bekatre said that is the cost of stability. And we all know that gently. Maybe Bekatre said the all cost of stability. And your poor policy choices because
thank
you. Yeah. Inflation, no, yeah, the fee 54, be do 18, no. Yeah, mocha 15 billion. Yeah, would you your friend is saying, but yeah, the fee 54 be do 23, no. Yeah, mocha, sir. Wow, the fee 23 be do 3, no. Oh, now also what boka 15 billion. Now, your poor policy choices because send your home more poor and you didn't need to pay for it. Una utia and our boka. Inti reverse it or cost of more papano. Now you achieve the same objective without making losses. Also, at Isamu Bidi at say later out say governor announce say we reverse it. Now they are not only correct why I see reverse it to what we were saying. Name another example. Tama governor or funding budget through the back door.
Yeah.
Your friend of monetary financing of the fiscals. Yeah, the catcher will say, I know you're part of the problem, you know. Losses now because of financing government through the back door or pentisicama by no. Almost a nyampa. A banner as you say, governor never announced a few weeks ago, say, to say we're jay on you. Nadia no onion didn't know jay. I didn't know to say we're jay say. On financing government through the back door by pre-financing the domestic gold purchase transactions of the Goldbod. Now, to say Goldbod, you see, when we speak, any out of Otayo, young Kabibia, so my cousin make with you, mean Kayadiana, mean Pasada.
Yeah.
But when we speak and you say, Obe attacking, the Yaki issue, no one discuss attack now. Then we all lose the focus.
But
nobody should be distracted.
Go back to the losses, no, which is most important as you are talking about. Now, Osha Bank of Ghana operations. I started even from 2021. Bra policy ye try say ye deba good for reserve in oil ni hon sense I start here, but 2021 15 million. 2020, I'm talking about the losses. 2022, 9 million in their books. 2023, 120 million. 2024, $400 million. And then 2025, we went up to 22 billion. Bank of Ghana, Edna, ni trade more disiccation, more disicako. Even support ya can once a month and comedy cost support 2 hours or more reverse. Yes, a Bank of Ghana disicako shebimu na or ya whether trade or liquidity or anything. Na amaye e boka. Because in 2022, we lost about 60 billion from the Bank of Ghana. We know the Bank of Ghana's operation.
Our question, and I'm happy because I'm common winning common and we see it. Maybe no try to distract you. Second, there were a lot of respect for the work you do.
Right.
But my question. The source of the data, no. Figures here, boy. With great respect, my question because, and I'll tell you why. And you won't make question source and I make question because if you must say data numbers be a good system, you must have numbers linear.
But reference 2022, IMF grants could do that 400 million, the same thing.
When you say 400 million, it is not on the Gold for Reserves program.
Gold trade.
That 400 million, a gold for oil.
Yeah.
Domestic gold purchase program, there were 3 components: gold for oil, gold for forex, a friend is saying gold for reserves.
But I'm canning in as a gold trade losses. No, you're making a gold trade.
No? And no, make question source of data because we have a mistake. Let me explain. Would you factor in gold for oil, which was a temporary program from 2021? Ghana need any dollars, but now we see it to me top oil by Ghana, so that generators, cars, electricity in Abayejuma. Until Dr. Baumia said, "Yeni cities, yemfento gold, yento gold, no." And no, in fact, in that one, yeni city, yemfento gold, yemfa gold, nema commodity traders, the same commodity trader, no, also oil, or best send the oil cargo abre, so that we still get oil, even though we don't have forex. And yes, sir, a bit of baby not cars into me petrol shortage, lights in Yenedundu. Intino, I will say yes, I do, which is a temporary program. Now you build a forex reserves now. We can now get dollars to buy. By the time I will bet to gold, maybe send the about 3 months later, ship on but now price is not changing into the boca. And it was a temporary program. You're making loss of $400 million. But 2020, your friend is saying 2021, where Banabi do 2024. No? So under the gold for reserves program, loss near zero. But I can now bomb say gold transactions. I'll be cast near 400. But I say what is the distinction? No?
Gold trade, no. Yeah, how can you answer gold trade? Gold won't get the idea.
Here's the point. Gold. Here's the point. So gold for reserves. Now you mboka in the past. Now and now boka 22 billion for gold for reserves. Who's a maker? I mean, very careful. Say.
Yeah.
Gold for reserve.
Gold for reserve. Yeah.
Of the domestic gold purchase program.
Sure.
I am moka and then what boka na ye can. Also, na so cross sometime be no boka war.
Oil.
You get the difference.
Yeah, I get you.
In fact, no crime is so almost say na say Ghana Water Company a loss. ECG so
I see I've enjoyed your board chair that time and they made unprecedented losses.
Let us not lose track of the issue.
Okay.
Gold for reserve program. First, let's carry him and I make us say, why I will question the data? I said, me deep Bank of Ghana accounts for the last 5 years. Me dine baba. You will have to show us where the loss is in the Bank of Ghana accounts. And NDC for ba bemu almost started boka mekaya no. And no mama will be true RTI request come our governor no. And a governor reply let's say if first no na losses crowd na the losses need to pay. Really, in the audited accounts, one casa signing and one disclosing losses. Then what Bokani can, what could ye crack actual crack and say there was a loss. So that is why I question the data. Bounding BB, mention you call an inquiry. What kind Article 103 in this standing orders now? You be supine documents Nina. Who supine the document? Say, Mami 2024 accounts. Point to me, baby. Loss guys have not said as I governor. Say, show me where in the Bank of Ghana account you will find the loss on the gold for reserves in 2024. And by the way, the 2024 account was signed by Governor Siama of the NDC. It was signed in March 2025. Show me in 2023. Show me in 2022. So, me say first issue we say we are getting to the issue. Second, data no. Make question. I say in an inquiry, more now have an opportunity to go into the data.
Yeah.
Third, that's my last point.
Okay.
Bank of Ghana Nejuma a monetary policy. Nejuma, in fact, the primary objective is price stability. Because in economic policy, the better say, no issue currency. So he has an obligation to protect the value of the currency. And until now, or you're responsible for price stability. Na currency na devalue. Monetary policy is his primary objective. And or involving in any precise fiscal expenditures. That is how economics is called. Precise fiscal expenditure. Because fiscal, they are to forcing fiscal policy manager. Now, no, sebe, or no, ma back door. It boom at the back door. Precise fiscal to support the budget, and they don't want to disclose because budget need the only member parliament. ube disclose revenue parliament be approve amount but ohene nko ya na fi wakoshe Bank of Ghana na Bank of Ghana Fiscal. Now let me show you something. Who in Ghana budget for 2025 290 billion cedis and no na finance minister ebe katre and say obeye juma na we raise sika no dey aboy ho akoma the entire parliament go to budget and say finance minister be kire inquire obeye juma board ho model we raise sika no dey solve your problems and we obuy no 290 billion. Did you know say quietly on the backside or Bank of Ghana printed 133 billion emano to support quasi fiscal expenses? Where are we? Where are we?
I haven't read the document though.
No, it's not in any document. That is why we are calling for the inquiry.
Yeah.
That is why we are calling for the inquiry.
Debbie.
That is why we are calling for the inquiry. Because I will catch your mind and say, yeah, budget. Yeah, budget, 290. Now, factory, Ekoma governor printed 45% of the budget, an additional 45% at the factory for quasi fiscal expenses. And no, she can't be a gold border or Modikoto gold. By the time I go, never back. Or the full value of the 133 billion that was released. A shorted by 22 billion. That is the loss sitting on the Bank of Ghana's books. Because whilst it will not show up in the main budget, it will show up in the Bank of Ghana's books. But what did I make an answer?
Sure.
122 billion in a million I make fee. So if we get bogged down in this debate, say Goldbod say on here loss. Maybe we see Goldbod, the Bank of Ghana, Goldbod, Bank of Ghana, and if we cry, so on your economist, on your accountant, I don't say a class and on a friend or extortionist. We get distracted from the 22 billion CD loss. But the dollar more $1.7 billion.
Is it not also, can I say, logical to say, Bank of Ghana, that is why we have technocrats who are versed in economics, finance, and all that. Who say ye investment will be bimu ana ye tradia ye disika we kwa we should expect this return and share the risk component ni be ye see into yen Bank of Ghana yen fanko but say o de be corner dia koma wo agent na wadi dwuma na wo no as a supervisor na say wo program na sha won sa no wantumi anya effective monitoring na European kroma do we leave them to blame the agent?
Makachro said, my interest is not blaming the agent or the principal. And me see anybody who gets bogged in a debate about blaming the principal or the agent is missing the point.
But
shareholder, no, your friend of Ghana, or institutions, Bako Bank of Ghana, Bako Goldbod. Ghana koye a budget of 290 billion. And no be disclosure on mining every year. And the Bank of Ghana, no, he's not participating in quasi fiscal expenses. The way any kodaya no. And a Bank of Ghana could share 133 billion at the ma abino to fund gold purchase through Goldbod. We ya the gold no come Bank of Ghana no. That's sikan baby no kofa fee no. It's was shorted by 22 billion. Me say, don't get worried about a debate between Goldbod and our Bank of Ghana. Worry about the 22 billion loss that Ghana has suffered because in the end, no, if we be the Ghanaian taxpayer, I want him to say, no, to the Bank of Ghana is 96 billion cedis. In fact, we the bank specifically at 93 billion. We the bank as a group at 96 billion. Meaning, so you are aware.
No, I am not aware now.
Okay. Because then we lose focus on the main matter. Sa 93 billion at the bank and 96 billion at the bank group. You will pay because a fiscal recapitalization LCA.
But some of these things, you know, say almost mamon can, at least if it's in the books. I think say and I say any books you have to file RTI. I'll be to me to publicize the say I mean the citizens will also be aware.
Into two things. Me my babo until back come a whole press conference the screen be see parliament. Time my Bank of Ghana for account by no. Ebe tre me now screen so. Nhyira they attacked me. Me the woman attacked him say me extortionist. But they attacked me personally say me economist, me accountant, they make economic say I'm telling lies. And so you the screen be see what point me na chere Ghana for. You really say okay, no problem. Official copy of the Bank of Ghana account no, in accordance with section 58 of the Bank of Ghana Act, no, Minister, Federal Parliament. I want me catch now say asate na me no ka say ato force in front my.
Amen.
Where are you going to get the official copy to even deal with?
Okay. Okay.
And then una me stress minimum central for CSOs, economists, focus it. We should be asking the finance minister, say, now then I won't for Bank of Ghana account, no, I can tell you why. But we should be asking him, I don't know I also believe our parliament.
Didn't you?
Because Bank of Ghana say Oboka 900 million. IMF say Oboa 1.7 billion. Or the bar the difference between the two.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then they come up with allegations against you.
Right.
Inti mesre baby Ghana kono ho. Omo running game bi ewo esoro ho. The bibi share nim say dollar ne gina. But the cost of dollar no miensa. In the first year 22 billion cedis are over bitia. Second cost, no, the environment. The environment, sacrifice it to get gold to generate this forex.
Right.
And then second cost. Apart from the 22, entire environment, no, who will claim more? Who is can be you? Say Sikano, who did go cry? 22 billion. No, the forest means you are saying. Number 3, your friend opportunity cost.
Right.
Your friend is saying, 22 billion no, and can schools are hinang a bit to me. Agenda 111 are hinang a bit to me every year. A numa hinang a bit to me a boama a criti na we for any juma wom. Nipa notify on ye juma. We are asking about 22 billion a money say on bitia. And sana so far my pompe over $18 billion of forex onto the market just to keep the dollar at 10. Now, our catcher was $1 and not 10. So $18 billion, of course, is not expendable resources, but in Kitumuko sovereign wealth fund more, who bet me leverage the unlucky resources, ama yede and move Ghanaian economy forward. So the cost of the game they are playing is huge. But on Percy Beckham wants him to attack it.
But I say, Sana, more politicians in a cabani a canwasema. Ayana, more sorry, Jinamon Percy Beckham, any idea, because it's not with one government, the trophy. And we've seen how governments of the day react to losses or minor emeki. Including more time you stand in even crackers inclusive Bank of Ghana and Fanfas will be amre because they're making losses. Saying you go Hunkranwa, you be Rebecca Kabum, they are making billions losses in Noma Umudi. But you can politicians, any government of the day be defended. And I remember perfectly, maybe was time on Machiko Bank of Ghana office. That was in 2022. Now, almost 60 billion. I saw some of government appointees who defend this idea because put me show party colors. So, is it not more politicians? Is it not the way to go?
That is why in the democracy, no, any politician from more central for more academics, civil society organizations, including my politician in Bekanasem. Okay, we are who central, and I know you guys do it very well at Nhyira. Who central, but if you won't pick it, say it, you head there, opening okay, near the two way. a Tasman and Tasu. Civil society for academics. Now, so be I should be. So be I should be not fear Kase, Massa. To me, we work 22 billion Ghana cedis in 1 year on a transaction. The Riena ye can what attacking call for a read this issue. Nina. Maybe a food a fine any panel personal problem. That's not an issue. Ghana has more a 22 billion. Mummy and with me cause of personal problem. But 22 billion as some a cano. There was seeing any con because it has costs, it has environmental costs, it has environmental reclamation costs, it has opportunity cost, both for the 22 billion and then the forex reserves now. They are burning for this purpose. You see, Muminum Central for Yenianum was civil society, Yenianum was academia. Would they allow the politicians to play their game? But that's why Mumuye referees will be cho be tackle enya, one of the bob and per was on the yellow card, per was on the red card.
But I think, sir, we must also be interested in the proof and also finding out whether that astonishing, true. Say yes, we astonishing, true and also true because now they are standing in for accountability. Ojidemu se or shese obedi yen abaino de obeye de ope because omo na 2 minutes kura omo. But say obi obegina ye name no call for accountability no ye de ade ato no so ye extortionist ananse wo obi a ohihya ase no wogye demudi ana wogye bibi na ode eye ne hu yi a na ema no kure ntimi mpia. I think that is a big accusation, a very big one. I say minority need should be concerned. Says any people make allegation, no, and I say mobile finance, mobile see na me anya clarity. Say mobile, we need to know much into that. Say be bema mo ho sign say mo ye adwuma fine e wo mrahye bedwafi oni ba bia mo wo bia.
Your leader Eddie Kanaka say obesi no. We don't have worries about that. Obesi no. But that should not be allowed to distract from the 22 billion CD loss. Mema samoa me beka ya ombe attack me say many economists, many accountants, me ditro, many facts. I've insisted my both figures in natural. I stand by it. This is what they're going to prove me for. I'm not say sorry obeka ya mo say woman on tia seminar say na okay Kevin Kikane ade. What are going to prove me for?
Right.
Nipa na wa accusing and also on obey sue for it. So let's not get distracted by that. Let's keep an eye on the 22 billion.
Okay.
Kwame Nadi say he will sue him. Go ahead with that one. And the court will resolve that one. But Ghana, we shouldn't lose focus on the 22 billion.
Na yenshe hono. All right. You're up on Kruma. Bedasi Amope. Bedasi Fa.
I was me said that Bessa studio ni nya break.
One view. Meru enimba. You just watch now. You just watch out. Okay.
But I'm update on the Supreme Court back and forth. Yeah.
Sure. Oh,
I pay minimum lawyers who are meeting by 11 o'clock.
Okay.
And then we will take a decision on whether we want to seek a reversal of that determination. And I say we'll leave it and focus just on the main matter. The main matter no cry and kai. Sure. I pay by 11 o'clock. We'll take a final decision. I'll let you know when we decide.
All right. Mpacho you make sure. Bedase. All right. Yera kojo pon kroma no. Ofwas ya yiri bi.